seen him.
Video, man.
Yeah, by trade, I'm an electrician. That right there is Big Bird.
What's up, DIY gang? Thank you for tuning in to DIY with the Rich and Man. We are back with another video, man. Yeah, that's right, man. We back with another video, man, on part 2, man, of the 2,200 square foot house Rewire. Man, we are almost done with the rough end. What I mean by rough end, the rough end is the wiring the whole house. We're almost done, man. But I'm gonna take y'all in here, man, let y'all see where we at, man. And we gonna go through this whole, I'm gonna go through this whole process with y'all, man. The rough end, I'm just showing y'all the wiring stages of this house, man. And then on another video, we'll show y'all the trim out stage where we putting out the plugs, putting out the light fixtures in, putting out the switches in, ceiling fans, man, beautifying the thing, man. You know, beautifying the thing, man. Yeah. But you know, anyway, man, let me stop playing, man. But I just thank God, man, for another beautiful day, man. Check it out. Yeah, another beautiful day, man. Thank God for another beautiful day, man. But look, y'all come with me, man, as we go on this voyage, man. We're gonna take y'all through, man, show y'all what it takes to rewire a whole house from start to finish, man. Y'all just stick with your boy, man. It ain't just about trucks and stuff, man. It ain't just about cars, man. We're gonna just show y'all some of everything. With the update up on the rental property, man, this rental house. Well, they're gonna flip this house. But man, we done with the wiring, man. Just show y'all a little bit what we got going on, man. On the last video, I was tearing out all the wiring, all the old stuff, man. Y'all seen all the old panels, man. Y'all seen the concrete in the panel, man. I don't know what they were thinking. But man, we about to get ready to get an inspection on this, man. But I'm gonna show y'all all the work that I did, man. This been I apologize for not filming a lot of the work that I did. But today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna film. They've just built the new garage, but I'm gonna show y'all this garage. And I gotta wire this garage up, so I will show y'all that. But I'm gonna take y'all on a little tour of the house, let y'all see how the house look now after I done rewired everything, man. Everything's been foamed, man. Foamed up, all the holes been foamed up for energy efficiency, man. All the you know, we got plates to protect the wires from when they drilling in the studs and stuff like that, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour, man, and show y'all what your boy G can do. Well, man, y'all come with me. See, we got a plug down low, down there. Gonna have two wall porch lights. See, it used to be a porch light up there. All that's been deleted. They're gonna come back and, you know what I'm saying, they're gonna finish all that up. Put out, you know, let them put their finishing touches on everything. But let's step in here. Let's look at everything. New boxes, everything wired up, phoned up. And the reason why we got to do the phone now is for energy efficiency. So they say whenever we do any type of penetrations in the walls like that, you get air leaks and it can make your energy, your air conditioning bill be higher than it should be. But yeah, that's the kitchen. Let's show you the kitchen over here. Let's walk over here. I'll show y'all the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. The stove gonna be right there. Your stove plug and phoned up. It's gonna be all this right here. Gonna be where countertop's gonna be at. Of course, that's where your sink. Yeah. It's a laundry room over here. Little laundry area. Inside laundry area. See right there, you got your washing machine hookups. That right there be for your dryer plug. See, they got the dry piping that they got to redo. Cause I don't know whoever built this addition. I don't know what they was thinking, but all that's got to be redone. Check out the new panel. This is the new panel. Set up. You see, foam cleaned up. I do alright, man. I ain't bragging nothing like that, but I do alright. Good thing I'm a real man. Another bedroom, ceiling fan. Outside, step outside in this bedroom. don't know if I want a door in my bedroom. You know, you might be sleeping, somebody kick the door in. But hey, to each his own. To each his own. Yeah, I gotta finish that today. Thing phoned up. Exhaust fan. Like. Anyway, man, let me show y'all the new. They just built the new. Carport that I got to wire up today, and I'm gonna show y'all everything on that today. Let's walk through here. So this is the new garage that they're building right now. As you can see, I got boxes laid out for the lights. So I gotta wire that up. Then they got like a little storage room here, which I got everything laid out. You know, all my boxes laid out. Switch right there. All the